Okay. Yeah, okay then. I think explain, what is a test plan. Like insert the test plan, we have a thread group, and we are now this is one scenario. For suppose this scenario name is called registration scenario. So one scenario will be one thread group. For suppose this is the registration scenario. Okay, then you can write like this. So always like for suppose if your application is having 10 scenarios here, then 10 thread groups will come. And in each and every thread group, you want to record the scenarios. So I think you understood what is scenario. No? In the earlier class, I explained you. Okay, by opening the JPEG store, how many scenarios will be there, everything. Okay. Now, let me record this small application now. So for recording this, I want to turn on the proxy setting. JMeter cannot record the application directly. We are using a proxy setting here. But before going for proxy setting, let me go to the JPEG store, the base URL. Just I will go to the URL page. Okay. Just this is my URL page. Let me copy this page here. I will copy this page. Okay, if possible, open the incognito mode. There, cookie and cache everything will remove every time. Just open in incognito mode. Okay, so this is called incognito mode. Always try to record your application here only. Now, proxy set. So you can either use browser of Firefox browser or Chrome browser, anything. But if you're using Chrome browser, then we should go for like here search box. Or one more way, you can go to the settings here. There's one more way. You can go to settings here, and from the settings page, from the settings page, you can write proxy. Okay, just proxy. This is called proxy setup. Proxy setup in the sense, the JMeter will record the application by using a proxy setup. Just search this proxy setup. Okay. Then it is coming now. Just open the computer proxy settings. Yeah, wait for it. It's taking some time. Okay. Yeah, this is the proxy server, manual proxy setup. Just use turn on this proxy setup in the address pair in the address. Just write localhost. Because why I'm writing localhost, I'm recording this application in my laptop. Okay. So as I'm recording this my application in my laptop here, so I will write localhost. Then port number. This port number, proxy port number, and the JMeter port number should be same, because then only the JMeter can able to record your application. So here I given 4 8s, na? As I given 4 8s, you can say that you can write 4 8s here. You can use any depending upon whatever, okay, port number you are choosing for JPEG store, sorry, in proxy and the Chrome. Then save. Okay, just save. Now you can see once you given the proxy setup na, if you refresh the page will not load. That is okay. So whenever we see there is no internet. There is no internet. Can you able to listen my voice now? Because I as it is app, it will come here. But if I'm if I will use the any browser, na, our connection will cut. So that is the proxy setup. When I will turn on the proxy, there will be no internet. Internet will not come. So then what I will do? Okay, just I will copy this URL. Uh, I will go to the just one second. Let me. Okay. So now go to this HTTP script recorder and keep this in URL page. Then start. Just you want to start recording. Now JMeter will handle this. Okay, from the proxy setup only. See, this will come now. When this will come, then only you want to record the application. Now I will paste my URL. Just I will record. So let me open. So earlier, if there's no we are if there's no JMeter, na, internet will be closed. Okay, but now we can check what is happening. Maybe the application should open properly. I think it is taking more time. Okay, but it will open. But still, okay, the site can't be reached. You can go for a reload. Okay, see, now the magic of this, by using the JMeter, I can able to open the page. Now, just I will stop it for some time. Yeah, now you can see under the URL, everything will come here. See, no need to add manually. Everything will come here. HTTP protocol. Why this HTTP protocol is blank here? That is the purpose of HTTP request default. If you give an HTTPS protocol here, uh, in all thread group here, this HTTP protocol will not come here blank because this will control okay. Uh, so the whole script is HTTPS protocol, then the blank will come. If you'll give the server name here, for suppose if you'll give the server name of JPEG store here in the HTTP request default, then everywhere this will blank here. In everywhere this request will be blank here. So HTTP request default is most important. It will control the whole execution. Okay. Now, I think you understood now what is how we are recording under this URL page. Again, I will start this recording. Just I will start. Okay, so before start, then I want to go to target controller because I want to log in now. I want to log in, enter the store. So before going for other page, come to JMeter and change the target controller. So now enter the store. So then what I will do, I will go to this, or like this, then I will press enter the store. Okay. So wait for the time until the whole page should open. Okay. Sometimes what will happen? If small page will open, they will stop and they will go for other page. That is not a process. Okay, whole page should open properly. Then again, I will stop it. Then you can see inside the enter. This is the enter store. This all request belongs to which are coming in developer tool. Okay, so this we can filter. We can filter it. Okay, if they are coming every time, we can filter. I will explain you how to filter the HTTP request. Okay, now enter the store is completed. Now what I will do, I will go for sign in. Okay, I will go to sign in page. Just I will press the sign in page here. No, 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 no internet is coming. No, just 1 second. I think I have not started. Sorry, I have not started. Okay, just a given, but I have not started. I will start now. Okay. See, now the sign in page came. The sign in page came. Then you can see insert the sign in. This request will come here. Now go to this target controller and go to register. Okay, no need to stop every time. You can keep this one and you can do the process, no problem. Just to explain, now in the target controller, I given a register and I will go to this register page. Then I will write some user IDs. I will write some user IDs. HJJK8987. Okay. The new password. I can give any password here. Just I will give 123456 and repeat password. I will say 123456. Okay. Then first name. What I will do, I will write TAA. So then I will write, maybe it is coming some names here. So you can give anything. You can give anything. Just I'm giving something. Okay. So just I given some names here. Okay. Nothing, no problem. You can give, if you want to, you can give the country code properly. Okay. USA or UK, whatever maybe. You can give your zip code properly. Okay. So just you can give the state properly. So as of now, you can something. Okay, just when we are registering this page, just we are giving everything, all these details here. Phone number, you can give the phone number. Okay. Email ID, you can give like email ID. Any email ID. Just these are all dummy setup. Then I will save this account information. Okay, that's it. Okay, now the recording. There is no sign out. There is no sign out here. Just I will stop it. Now you can see under the registration scenario, all these pages are came. Okay, this is my scenario. Okay, I so now you can see whatever I recorded like from the URL to register page, everything will come here in this view result tree. Everything will come in this view result tree. Okay, all the requests will come here, and this all this all each and every result will save it in JTL file. This JTL file is most important. Okay, so whenever for doing correlations or anything, this JTL file is most important. Okay. Now, now if you want, you can write like this is called recording. You can write, you can name like this is called recording, and this view result will be replay because our future is recording a replay future. So replay. Okay. So just replay. Now go to one page everything. But just go to URL. Can you say this is our server name? Is this is our server name?
Yes.
No, no, no. See, our server name is JPEG Store, petstore.com. But this is belongs to some other server name. Okay, then you can check with developer like or anything. If this particular request belongs to our application, if they will say that no, then directly you can remove this. But I think these are a very basic one. You can remove this. Yeah, this one also I can remove because it is not my JPEG store. Okay, but before removing anything, try to save this JMX file. Save this JMX file. Just 1 second. So what I will do, JMeter, what is the batch, second batch? Okay. Is it November 24? So I will save all these files here. So I will save this file like JPET store. I will write the name JPEG store. You can give don't give any spaces. Instead of spaces, na give underscore. Just I will write register. Okay. .jmx. So in this way, you want to save JMX. Again, these questions may ask here. What is the what is the extension for this one? You can say like JMX here. Now this is okay. Now where this JTL file is also important. Okay. So once everything is completed, now go to desktop here. Okay, go to desktop here, and this is called my demo.jtf file. Just I will copy. Always try to make backup file before doing anything. Try to make because I have done some problem. Whenever we will face any issue, again you should record this scenario. That may not proper because every time we cannot record. Okay, so that is the reason. Okay, save this JTL file and JMX file. Okay, one more copy. If you want, you can make just copy and paste. Just copy and paste. Okay, you can make always try to make copy of the files here. If any file is corrupted, you can use other file. So now I'm having the backup file. Just I can do. Yeah, this is you can see petstore.com. This is our application server name, and this is also our application server name. And this is not our application. I think some other application here. Just I will remove this. But if you're having any problem with, don't remove. Then you can disable. Just disable. Okay. If you know, like I'm not sure whether this particular server name belongs to our application or if you're not sure, then disable that particular request here. Okay. Now I think I know this about this. Just I will remove this one. Now coming for this is also not our protocol, not our server name here. So remove this. So initially you want to remove each and everything, okay, which not belongs to the application. No, again, this is not again Microsoft here. That is belongs to Microsoft. Just remove. Okay. Now these two pages. See, in developer tool also you can see now we got two requests here. Similar way here also two requests came. Now enter the store. Everything. If it is SVG file, you can disable. If it is SVG file or PNG file or any other like any other files, which we are using for daily purpose. Just 1 second. Okay, okay. Yeah. Let me. See, these are the SVG files and HT like some PNG files. These are these files you can disable. No problem, no issue. You can disable. I will explain you again. Okay, but as of now, you can disable this page. Now again, this is the Microsoft. This not belongs to our application. As I know, I can remove this. And this is not Google APS. It is not our application again. So I will remove this. Yeah, this will take some time here to make the script properly. And this is Google APS. This is not belongs to our application. We can remove this. And this is of my application only, Pet Store application. Again, Google APIs. Okay, you can remove this. Then this is login live. You can remove. It's not belongs to our application. You can remove. These are all beacons, like everything. These two, uh, just I will write. I will remove both. Okay. Now this is, see, this is what we given na, like on the screen I given you. Same thing. Everything will capture here. That is the purpose of JPEG store, like JMeter tool. It will try to capture all the requests here. Okay. Now once everything the script is ready, na, just you can disable this. Only this will help us only while recording. Again, you can turn on the proxy also, because I think proxy was turn on. Okay, go to, you can either you can go for settings or you can go directly from here. Any option here. Just turn off the proxy, otherwise internet will not work again on my Chrome. So turn off the proxy. Only see this HTTP recording element and the proxy setup only will help us only for recording the application. That's it. Once application is recorded, you can disable both. Now I explain this view result tree. Everything here, everything will come here. Response, request, whatever we recorded, everything it will come here. Okay, this is all uh, while we recorded the application. This is most important. This is the master copy. If you want to do any correlation or if you want to verify any HTTP request response, everything we will check from the JTL file. Okay, recording JTL file. Yeah, let me run for one run here. But before run, in every transaction controller, okay, I will explain you. Just I will explain you. Let me run this. Just I'm running with one user. Just I'm running with one user. So this is called start. You can see this is called replay. This view result tree is the replay. This is called recording. Okay, both are not same. The name may be same, but the replay recording. Now let me run this. This is called the option here. Just I will run here. Okay, just I will run here. Everything. Okay, maybe some will fail here. I will explain you why they are failing. Okay. Now you can see the fourth one. This is the URL page. Okay, this is the URL page. This request I am sending to server, because we know na this request only we are sending to server, and what response it is coming. It is they given some some format here. If you want to be check the page properly, then go to this drop down box here. See, there's a drop down box. Here you can keep it in HTML. See, now you can see the URL page came. The URL page came. Whatever we recorded, everything will record here. Now coming for, okay, this is the three will be welcome to JPEG store. Then enter the store. So we are entering the store. Then sign in. Okay. And here, why this issue is coming na? We know the registration will done only one time. Again with same user ID, everything. No need to register again na. Here, what is the purpose of replay? Replay means again the old scenario will run. So if it is running the old scenario again, then 500 error will come here. Why? Because you given if you see the request here, this is called request. I will explain everything properly. This is the request here. Everything, whatever we given some information while recording here, everything will come again. Okay. So same, if same thing will come, no, then the particular request may fail. So that is the reason it failed here. I hope I like today's class explain you how to require like how to import the certificate here, how to set up the proxy setup, and how to record one scenario. Okay, let me stop the recording. Then you can ask any questions if you're having. Let me stop.